I made $34,910 with affiliate marketing, and the crazy part, I did it using YouTube without showing my face and without a huge following and without spending a single dollar on ads. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact system I use it to pick a profitable products and services, create content that actually sell, and turn views into real commissions every single day. If you have been trying to make money online but feel stuck, this is the strategy that actually works, and I'm showing you step by step how to do it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start making serious money with YouTube affiliate marketing. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years now, and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I will share with you my new method with YouTube. And this system that I will share with you, it's not working just for me, it's also working for my students. I have students like this student Emma made $7,000 in 1 month, and I have student Mike made $5,000, and I have more students like this one also here made $8,000 per month. Guys, you can go to my YouTube channel and check it over here on post, and you can see my student results. Okay, anyway, and this commission, guys, that I made $34,910, it's already paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account, and this is my payment over here, the invoice, recent payment request details. You guys can see it's paid $34,910. So I'm sharing with you here everything. You can see what's possible and how you can start. I will explain to you everything. Okay, so first you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you need to do, you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page, and the sign up process, of course, it's for free and it's easy. Once you finish, this will be your home page. Just come to this page, scroll down like this, keep scrolling down, okay, like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So what you need to do next, you guys can scroll more to get idea and to get idea about how much you can earn with this Fiverr affiliate program, because they are really paying good commissions, guys. Some commissions can be, guys, up to 70% of the first order, which is crazy. You guys also can, so the best parts with this affiliate marketing business, guys, is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys a service from you, you will earn a good commission for his first order. The best part, you will, if this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase this buyer will make on Fiverr, which makes this business, this affiliate marketing business, the profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, anyway, you can check this website like I said to get more idea, and if you want to create your affiliate account, just click here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just need to, as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm your password, account type, choose private. If you have a company, choose this one. If you have Fiverr seller account, choose this one. Do you have a main source of traffic? It's better to say yes. And here you need to put your social media profile link that you will use to promote your Fiverr affiliate services. Okay, so you can go and create, for example, Pinterest account and put your Pinterest account here, your Pinterest account link here, your profile link, or you can go and create a YouTube channel and put your YouTube channel link here. Okay, so your account can get approved and you can start promoting services to earn commission. Also, you can click on country and choose your country. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, just search for your country from here and click on English. If you speak English, choose English. If you speak German, choose this language. If you speak Spanish, you can choose any language you want. You put your Telegram account here if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube. Okay, so how we can choose good services? Pay close attention in this step. What you need to do next is you need to go to YouTube. Okay, go and open private window on YouTube like this and click here on the search and ask questions. So for example, I'm gonna ask, let's say to how to grow, okay, how to grow Instagram account. You see this? For example, I'm gonna how to grow Instagram, and here you go. You see, just ask question here, and YouTube guys will gives you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. This is the topics that people are searching for on YouTube right now. I really should charge you for this, but I'm sharing with you this for free. Okay, this is what's working right now. Okay, look at this guys. People are searching for how to grow Instagram account, how to grow Instagram followers, how to grow Instagram profile professional account, which is good. So people, we have an audience searching for how to grow Instagram account. So what I will do for me as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage, and they will click on the search, and they will search for Instagram, okay, Instagram promotion services. I will search for services that will help people to grow their Instagram account. So I can, it's win-win. They will grow their account, they will be happy, they will get more followers. For me, I will earn commission. Search for Instagram promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. So those sellers will be good sellers for you. Why you should choose a good sellers? Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will go directly to those sellers profile page. They will check the feedback, the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, you can make good commission, because people will trust those sellers and they will buy from those sellers, and for you, you will earn a commission. That's why you should use and choose good sellers. So for example guys, let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good. He has over 1,000 reviews, meaning that over 1,000 people paid for this service, and we have this service starting from $100, which is good. So I will click on this seller service, and they will be directly in the seller profile page. This seller is providing a discount for the first orders for people, which is really good. So I'm gonna remove this, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. So you guys can see that this seller has over 5,000 reviews, meaning that over 5,000 people paid for this service, and we have people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. This seller is really helping people to grow their Instagram account, which is really good. Look guys, this is the proof that it's working. You guys can see how many orders in queue. 169 orders in queue. Okay, which people will buy this service? Which people are buying those services? Instagram promotion. It's those people here, those people on YouTube that are searching for how to grow Instagram accounts, how to grow Instagram followers. This audience will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. So what you need to do next is you need to click here on deep link. Okay, let me remove this and paste this profile seller link here. Okay, and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, this will be your link guys. Fiverr Pro new plan, this one. Okay, if you are promoting pro services, this will be your link from here. Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link from here. Fiverr Marketplace new plan. So for you, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for almost 6 years. That's why I have old Fiverr affiliate account, and I still have this option. Okay, and by the way guys, if you are serious about starting affiliate marketing and you want a clear step-by-step system, I put everything I personally do inside my course. It's the exact strategy I use to generate consistent affiliate commissions every day with my students. Inside the course, I show you how to start from zero, how to pick a profitable niche, how to create faceless content that you can use to promote those services without showing your face, without using your voice. And I also include my student results. Also, you can go to my YouTube post. I already shared them with you guys in the beginning of the video. So you will get everything you need to start this affiliate marketing business and make your commissions as a beginner. If you want to join, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description. You can find my email address there, or you can find my email in the pinned comments. Okay, just send me affiliate marketing and I will send you all the details. So what you need to do next, guys, Fiverr Pro, you have created your affiliate link here. Copy your affiliate link. You need to go to YouTube and you need to make a YouTube video, guys, about how to grow Instagram followers, and put your affiliate link in your video description. Okay, that's how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how you can make money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, guys. Okay, and you guys should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors, so meaning that you guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly, and if you are promoting services that people are searching for on YouTube, you can make a lot of commissions. Okay, and so for people who are asking how much we can earn, let me show you guys this service that we are promoting. This one, YouTube promotion, it's starting from $95. Okay, it's from Pro Seller. Okay, so let me show you. I will copy just the basic package, because if people buy this package, standard package, you can earn more. If they buy premium package, you can even earn more. Okay, let's do just the basic package, $95. Keep in mind that this is a pro service. Okay, so if you remember, pro services, we will earn 70% of the first order. So we can go to ChatGPT and ask him, okay, what is 70% of $95? Okay, you can earn a really good commission, guys. They are paying good commissions for those pro services. You guys can see you will earn $66, which is really good. Like, this is a good commission. You can get just two customers per day. It's over $100 a day. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see everything. I'm sharing with you everything here to show you the potential of this affiliate marketing program, and that it's really a profitable one, and you can make good commissions. Okay, and that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing. You want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.